Well, welcome to my channel Mispronounced Adventures. My name's Alex and welcome to Nordic Arctic Round 3. New personal record, -38. Normally I film a Top Gear style walking towards camera shot at the beginning. Welcome to Northern Finland. Welcome to a rather snowy Lapland. And welcome to Northern Norway. But I kind of forgot, so here we are. Anyway, where is here? This episode is carrying on our whistle-stop tour of Photon. The night before we had some northern lights. And it starts the morning after, so let's get on with it. That's what I was wearing. I mean, I flew it just about to that ridgeline so I can still sort of see where it was. Oh, now it's finally coming back. That's getting quite a nice shot on its return home actually as well. Oopsies. Note to self, stop catching your drone. There we go.
Are you ready? Go.
Getting there. There you go, lesson for not being overly quick. If you're trying to land the drone and do the grab from underneath and turn it upside down, just land the drone so you don't do that. Scenic though. That was a bit annoying. I mean, the blade just swiped through my fingers a few times, so I think it went one nice long one up my pinky finger and once through the nail. It just bled a lot. It doesn't actually sting. Well, I could feel it, it doesn't hurt though. I should have even done it. I've done that a couple times recently, just because when you land in the snow, if it's a bit deeper, then it doesn't always like doing it, or it sticks to the sensors in the lens, so I catch it. But I just wanted to land it quickly because I was flying within line of sight and only 120 meters was like you meant to, and then a tourist helicopter comes right over, and it's which probably wasn't 120 meters. Well, probably was 120 meters, but it just seemed a lot close. So I obviously don't want to be flying a drone with a like a tourist sightseeing helicopter in the area. I mean, when I took off, there was no noise or sound of a helicopter, and you can fly a drone here, but that helicopter came right over where I was flying a few minutes after I landed it. Probably didn't need to catch it though. But anyway, it's done. So we're going to now carry on down to Orr and the bottom of the Lofoten island chain. Or the Lofoten Islands. It's just a bit annoying really. I've had drones for almost, or I think I had that one for about 2 years now, and my previous one for probably 5 years. I've never once done that classic injury of catching yourself on a prop or a blade, whatever you call it. But I guess being complacent and being familiar is a great way to get yourself hurt. Lesson learned. Oh, it's pretty. Right, we made it to Orr, at the bottom of the Photon. If I'm honest, my finger hurts. I don't think it's the big long slice which bled, it's the bit of the prop which went through the base of my nail. That's what is currently quite throbbing and sore. So, go for a little wander, and then today we have to go, well, today I want to try and get to Finland. It's probably about 6-7 hours drive. Let's go for a little walk. Let's go for a walk. bakery. It's a museum bakery and not an actual bakery to get baked things. Oh. Had to be done. I had to go buy the dried fish. So, today's plan is, since we got to the bottom or at the very bottom of where you can drive to in Lofoten, so it's goal is to make our way back up and sort of see all the stuff we missed last night in the dark. So next is to Raina, to have a look at around there quickly. Well, this is running. A pretty stunning place to look at as well. I mean, to be fair, all of Lofoten is stunning to look at. Right, so just in the car park here, and the guy walking in front of the camera at the minute saw me mucking about in the snow. With Joe filming, and turns out he was in this camper van, he was watching and thought it was funny. Then he came across and had a chat to me. Turns out he's German and he's a subscriber of the channel, and I inspired him to come up this winter to come and enjoy the Arctic. He's in a rental camper van because he's currently building a big overland truck in Germany, but really lovely to just meet people who follow the channel and watch the videos I create. And to see that it was someone from a non-British audience, which predominantly my channel's got a British audience, so it's great to see an international audience watch my stuff as well. Just really quite fun to meet people who watch my videos, especially if you meet them in Lofoten. We're going to carry on, we've got a lot of driving to do today. This person's number plate is C. That cannot be a cheap number plate. That is the realistic view of Lofoten. You have all the lovely viewpoints and shots, and you get there, you look at the shot, but then you are surrounded by photographers, which is totally fine. I mean, they're tourists, I'm a tourist, and there's loads of, and photography tours are huge here as well. Lots and lots of places to do them. So Dave recommended we go to a place called Anita's, which is, or apparently has, the best fish burger he's ever had, and that's good enough of a recommendation from me. Oh look, there's a swing set for you. Right, let's go to Anita's. That's not a bad restaurant view at all. I've gone for the Winnie the Pooh fish burger, prawns, shrimp, smoked salmon, and you've got the vegan one, which is...
It's got seaweed and veggie burger. I don't know what's in the patty.
Seaweed.
But it's good to me.
Cool. And a lovely view. Put your feet in there. No. Right, well, if anyone's in Lofoten, or this part of it, and you like seafood, and eats seafood, the fish burger, or the Winnie the Pooh burger I went for, is incredible. Definitely recommend. And you've also got the beautiful surrounding as well. Lofoten really is like a tog's playground. It's just so hard to get anywhere, but I want to take photos as well. Helicopter. On to the next location, 20-minute drive, and I've got another hour or so worth of light. Right, I just finished filming that sequence and there are drones everywhere, but I've just got mine back in the van and I just noticed my blood splatter all over the side of the lens. We'll keep that on there as a reminder, don't be stupid. Right, there's Joe running. It's the other view, but I think the bridge is right there. And I'm trying my dried fish snacks. Who'd have thought dried cod would taste as it sounds? Nice. Run, Joe, run! Quite Moorish.
Confused me. I started going down there. And it looked like I was just going up to people's houses, and I thought, nah, this doesn't feel right. And there wasn't that many footprints, and I couldn't see any bridgey stuff, so not sure really what to make of that. But I didn't feel happy going any further.
Okay. It's just going to be trying to pull slides off snow. I'm pretty sure this is the beach I went to on my first Arctic season. I find it such a strange thing where snow turns to sand. Where the fresh water runs off the land, it freezes, and the beach is actually icy. Another beach. Right, on to the next point. Dave told me this is the Batman mountain shot. I can see what he means. So little look round Northfjord. I just wanted to have a look around the village. Apparently it costs to look around the village. Right, leaving Northfjord, on to the next stop. It'll probably be our last one in any sort of light tonight. I've just set the GPS to where I want to get to tonight. We're currently here in Lofoten, and I want to get to, well, here, the sort of three-country cairn area where Sweden, Finland and Norway all meet. GPS says that's a 7-hour, 50-minute drive from here. I mean, it's not that late at the moment, 5 o'clock, something like that, but that's a long drive to do today. There's the beach. Right, that is the last stop, I think, for us in Lofoten. Time to get back in the van and drive for many hours. And that's pretty much going to end this episode here. I hope you've enjoyed a pretty whistle-stop tour of Lofoten. If you've enjoyed this sort of video, please do consider subscribing to the channel and checking out Arctic Trip Round 1, 2 and the rest of this series, Round 3. Or just leaving a like and a comment. Other ways you can support the channel is I work for Raina. It's a lithium battery company, and I have an affiliate link for their batteries, and I use their Extreme series in my van, and I do their consultations. I'm a brand ambassador for Autoterm. I've got links for them, Amazon, and a few other options, but really I just want you guys to enjoy the content. So thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.